Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Virgin Voyages experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Scarlet Lady. Now this incredible suite is a Sweet Aft Suite. It's right on the back of the ship in the middle. It's stunning outside and in. I'll take you around in just a minute, but make sure when you're ready to book your next Virgin Voyage, you do it right on HarrTravel.com. You can take advantage of the interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, or your group, and get it at an incredible value with that Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now this is a Rockstar suite. They do have mega Rockstar suites that are just a bit bigger. You can check those out on the channel along with the full ship tour, but you're gonna get VIP treatment from start to finish. You'll get priority reservations so you can pick exactly where you wanna eat, spa, things along those lines ahead of everybody else. And then on board, you're gonna get access to Richard's Rooftop, that private suite only amenity, access to the VIP area of Bimini, and so many other fantastic inclusions. Now, as soon as you walk in the door, directly across from the door, you're gonna find the closet. So you have storage, hanging storage here. You got a safe down below, big enough for a laptop and your personal belongings. And then you've got the drawers at the bottom there. And then as we head into the main part of the space, you can really see that mega yacht style design that they were going for. It's absolutely beautiful. You've got your large king size bed. There is storage underneath, and you have two USB chargers and US plugs on either side of the bed. Now, I wanted to point out this tablet. So you can utilize it to control the lights, you can set the mood. It has quite a few functions, and you also can utilize it to choose from a large collection and stream directly to your large flat panel TV. Now your TV's over there in the corner. Of course, you can stream, you can watch TV, you can also see what's going on throughout the ship, and it's gonna rotate. You'll pull it out and rotate towards the bed. But what they didn't want to take away from was the incredible unobstructed views from the bed directly out the aft of the ship. You've got a reading chair tucked over in the corner, and then as we continue on through the space, right here you're gonna have your vanity. So you've got your hair dryer just inside the drawer. You can pull that out. You've got a plug right there, and you've got the floor to ceiling mirror where you can sit and get ready. And then directly across, you're gonna find your mini bar. Now you're gonna get a complimentary mini bar set up upon arrival. That's one of those Rockstar amenities. You've got your mini fridge underneath, and a really cool option here is the record player. So you've got a vinyl record player, you've got a collection to choose from, or you can head down to the vinyl store and pick the perfect one just for you and take it home with you. You also have the Bose sound link in here, so you can use the Bluetooth speaker, and then of course with the record player as well. Now let's head through to the bathroom space. You have a massive vanity right here, beautiful floor to ceiling Carrara marble, a ton of storage underneath. You got the toilet tucked just around the corner here. And then just through here, you're gonna find the shower. Now this is a very unique space. So you've got a huge rainforest shower head up above. I'm 6'6", I actually do fit in here. You've got your shower wand and bench. And then they also have a peekaboo window where you can look directly out the back of the ship to get that amazing view once again. Now you're out on your massive sea terrace. You can see you're right in the middle of the ship looking out the aft. It's an incredible space. You've got a huge couch over to the corner. You're gonna have two nice large loungers here, table in the middle. You can imagine this being the perfect place to have a nice cup of coffee in the morning, a cocktail in the evening, and really take in the unbelievable views, that fresh air, everything that we love about being out on the sea. Now also tucked over here in the corner is one of their signature red hammocks. They've been a huge hit on board here. I love the idea that you can sit back, chill, relax, and take in the amazing views and do whatever it is that you like on vacation. Now, when you're ready to book this incredible suite or any room or suite with Virgin Voyages, make sure you do it right on HarrTravel.com. You can take advantage of the interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, or your group, and you'll get it at an incredible value with that Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.